Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to tell you that how can we use goal seek in Excel. So goal seek is an important part of what if analysis feature of spreadsheet. So goal seek is basically used when our output or target value is fixed and we have to make a change in any of the input cell values. Goal seek option reverses that usual order of a formula. While creating a formula or function in spreadsheet, we use various parts together to calculate a result. Goal seek code works in the reverse way. It starts with the desired results and it calculates the input value accordingly. Let's see that how can we do. Here in this sheet you can see that I have made a dummy data, and in this for example I want to predict that how many marks I can, how much basically marks I can score, so that I could get percentage 90 percentage, right? So basically for this you need to go to in tools option and you will select goal seek, and here in the formula cell you will put that option like the form percentage. Here the percentage cell I'll select here in the formula cell. Now target value, my target value is 90%, so I'll enter here. Now variable cell, so variable cell can be any of your cell, like I'm here selecting the computer subject marks. You can, it could be anything, so I'll select this. So basically you need to enter in formula cell, target value, and then variable cell. So these three options we need to fill. Okay, now we need to click OK, and insert a dialog box will appear here that insert the result into the variable cell. Yes, we'll click yes. Okay, so if I'll score 63 marks in computer out of 100, these marks are from out of 100. So if I'll score 63 marks in computer out of 100, so I could score percentage basically 90 percentage, and the total is here. So this is how we can use goal seek option. It's very simple and easy to do. I hope everything is clear. There are only 2 or 3 steps that we need to follow, and your results will be there. So I hope everything is clear. If anything is not clear, just comment down below and do subscribe my channel.